Hello, hi, and thank you so much for joining me today. I want to tell you about the perfect hair care routine, which is simple, but I'm not going to beat around the bush and just tell you 1, 2, 3 products or 1 to 2 things that you need to do. I will holistically tell you what needs to be done. This is how my hair looks right now. I haven't washed it in probably 4 days, and today I'm going to be washing it in the evening. Primarily talking about what works, what doesn't, and how you can come up with the best routine for yourself. How we're going to divide it is I'm going to take you step by step through my routine, what you do before a wash, what you do during a hair wash, and what do you do post a hair wash. And in between we'll talk about a few products and a few tips and tricks that are relevant for a good hair care, which don't even revolve around shampoos or conditioners. Is basically how you nourish your hair by taking care of yourself. So before anything, I'll describe my hair as used to be naturally straight and now it's naturally wavy. I have spent the last 18 years of my life trying to crack how to get good hair. Okay, make this as step number 1, pre-wash. So pre-wash, what you have to do is imagine you have to coat your hair with nourishment before you bombard it with products that are actually going to take away from your hair, like shampoo, and really getting that. So when you actually wash your face for makeup, you always either put like a cream, or you put micellar water, or you put like a balm to kind of melt away that makeup, and then you wash your face, right? You don't go away with generally washing your face. Similarly for hair as well, you have to coat it nicely so you can rinse it off nicely. So it's very important to first coat your hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking, it's 5:30, I'm going to be washing my hair at 6:30. So for 1 hour I am going to have 2 products in my hair. Either you oil your hair, and you can use any form of oil, but my recommendation will be using a light oil. Olive oil is light, walnut oil is light, so use something light. I'm using a honey oil, it's new, and I love using oil. A lot of people say oiling is not good.
कौन है ये लोग?
Indians are known to have one of the best hair, so luscious, so long in the entire world after Southeast Asian. Recently, I have started, kind of using a hydrated cream or a mask pre-wash. So if you don't like oil, you can use any kind of hydrating mask or a balm or a cream. This one is by L'Oreal, and it's a moisture, it has hyaluronic acid in it. So please, बाल धोने से पहले hydrate your hair either with oil or with a nice balm. I am going to take this oil and I am just going to put it. I know people in the comments will say कितनी मेहनत क्यों कर रहे हो, इतनी मेहनत क्यों कर रहे हो?
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
But if you don't, well, it's on you. You can figure out a routine that works for you. Just put oil 10 minutes before, go wash it. So that was step number 1. Now I'm going to go to the gym and work out for 1 hour. And once I'm back, I'm going to go ahead and tell you about my wash routine. Let's just come back from the gym, and while my water is getting heated to wash my hair. Second thing is over-the-counter medicines or supplements or other things that can help you. I use biotin, but I only have biotin because my doctor prescribed it for me, because I have premature graying. At a very young age, I started getting gray hair. Could be many factors, including genetics and stress, and my lifestyle, which is extremely busy. And the other is for hair fall. It's something called minoxidil. I'll even show it to you. It's a over-counter ointment drug shampoo that you can put when you're facing any kind of hair fall. Again, things like that is required once a doctor tells you it's required. So you have your diet, and it's also other supplements and things that can help with your hair growth, including biotin, collagen, keratin, etc. But only, and I can't stress this enough, if your doctor says so. Right, so I'm going to recommend you ingredients or key chemicals that are very important. So if you have something like hair fall issues, look out for caffeine or look out for minoxidil in the shampoo. If you have a dandruff issue, look out for ketoconazole, or something which is an Israel shampoo. It has ketoconazole, and then something like selenium sulfide, which is available on something like Selsun. Um, if you want something that will give you volume and shine and smoothing, look out for shampoos that have a lot of hydrating factors like hyaluronic or oils. Oils and hyaluronic acid will ensure that you have the shine and smoothness. And if you have colored hair and you want to save your color hair, look out for shampoos that don't have sulfates and parabens. So hair fall, dandruff, shine, smoothness, and color hair. Look for these things. I'm going to quickly wash my hair and go into the shower. But I recorded something which is my favorite shampoos a while back for Instagram. Do check it out. While I'm taking a shower, you don't need to check a different video. I'm just going to put that video right here and you can watch it. List of my favorite shampoos that work very well for me. So first, this is the Abhati. It's quite expensive though, shampoo. This is great for like everyday use. I really like it. Other is the L'Oreal series. This, I don't know if you get in India or not, but L'Oreal Paris has a lot of professional shampoos. And okay, these I'm testing right now. I haven't tried all of them. These are all different shampoos. I've tried the Repair Me one, which makes my hair very. Now the other thing is obviously Olaplex. Everyone knows about this brand. Wait, it's not the shampoo. Everyone knows about this brand. Apparently it's the #1 brand in the world. Next up is the L'Occitane shampoo. Very hydrating, very nourishing. I also like this one. It makes my hair very okay. Still in my bathroom. That's my pot. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Everyone has one in their house. This is okay, fine. This is a life-saving product. This is a product I can vouch for. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. My hair is super wet. And I want to tell you my shampoo routine. How many times do you shampoo in a week? If you live in a clean city, if you're not exposed to too much dirt or pollution, please wash your hair once a week. That's it. And if you're someone who has a very busy lifestyle, is exposed to pollution, sunlight, dirt, etc., then 2 to 3 times a week at the max. And this is because your scalp releases natural oils that are required for healthy hair to grow. And if you keep washing that away, it actually results in a bad scalp environment. Secondly, once you are in the shower, the first rinse has to be to remove all the debris, dirt, buildup, and just do 2 rinses. And the second rinse is to clean up the actual scalp, followed by conditioner or a mask of your choice. And remember to put conditioner only from here till the ends. Do not put conditioner on the scalp because it actually creates a layer and it blocks your pores. Rinse it twice and use conditioner or mask every time and only on your lengths of the hair, nothing else. Now I am going to show you what I do after I shower, which is dry my hair, but I don't use a hair dryer. I towel dry my hair every time. So I just take a towel and very lightly, and I repeat that, but I do it very lightly so I don't break my hair. The other thing is I like to air dry my hair. I like to sit in the sun and dry my hair. I don't use hair dryers. Of course, if it's a party, if it's a shoot, or I need styling, I have to use it. But on a daily basis, whenever I am doing my hair, I don't use any tools. So this is how I dry my hair. Okay, so for some reason my camera stopped recording audio and now I have to record it separately. So here what I'm doing is, after I have washed my hair and it's still tar dried but a little damp, I put hair serum. The one I'm using is from Olaplex, but you can use the hair serum of your choice. Honestly, serum is just to add hydration back into the lengths of your hair. or a leave-in hair mask or a spray. I am using a spray. It's by Schwarzkopf. What it does is it's called hyaluronic moisture. It just adds again moisture back into the length of the hair. So I just do that. Trying to say is that this is my final look, which is my hair after it's been air dried naturally without heat. It is volume. It has volume. It is shiny. So that's good. My main issue is gray hair, but I really honestly can't do anything about it. I hope you like this video. Please leave me comments if you want to know anything, and follow me on Instagram because I talk about hair care and skincare all the time. And do not leave the video because I do have some tips and tricks I want to share with you. Please subscribe. I want to tell you that the health of your hair is really dependent about your diet and your lifestyle. And obviously, things like pollution, stress contribute to the health of your hair. Your diet needs to be great because if you eliminate anything from your diet, whether it's carbs, proteins, fats, it affects the growth hormone, right? It affects how your muscle grows, it affects how your hair follicles form. So it's very important to eat everything. So do not eliminate anything from your diet. As soon as a process of elimination happens, it starts affecting the hair. Sometimes it can be great, but sometimes not so much. Secondly, eat a lot of green leafy vegetables, eat a lot of raw fruit. Do not opt too much for smoothies and juices. Eat proper fruit the way it's supposed to be eaten.
So please sarapakarai. Okay, thank you.